Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can export your video in CapCut PC. So after you finish editing the video, you are just going to save your project by click the export button in the top right corner. Okay, for instance, select one image and select one audio, and I'm going to export. The export button and just change for the title and then change for the place of your project. Just click this folder that you want to place it in your project, and you can change for the resolution, frame rate, and etc. And you can also export the audio. You can see this format and just click export. But I'm going to export video only, export, and waiting for exporting. Just wait, and you can find your exported. Just click open folder. All right, just wait. Oops, take a long time. Yeah, it's run. All right, that's how you can export your project in CapCut. Oh, here's the exported. Yeah, I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any question, please leave in the comment section. And thank you so much for watching. Here's this exported